pati si Leo.
Tama.
Awitin natin yan. Alright, so, how about you, Joanna? Kami yung busy, kami yung oras namin. Ano pong work niya, Joanna? Ano pong work? Visit visa din? Kung tawag naman ang hotel natin, visit visa. Ano pa ang negosyo? Joke lang. And, hindi ka masyado enjoy, right? So for how long you will stay here in Dubai? Gawin mo yung microphone eh. Mahiya, kami yung microphone, hindi ka nagpumula. 1 year. 1 year, Huwag ka mahiya, gawin mo yung mic ate.
Sayang hindi naabutan si Ondo mismo.
Si Rona.
Dito ka mama.
Roda pala, Roda.
Huwag kayong magkakape.
Ano daw sa visit visa for a year?
Wow, and what is giving visa right now? Wow, I'm so sorry. What's giving you visa right now? Sorry. Enjoying having fun with my friends.
Wow.
Well, in Philippines. I'm sorry. Ang hirap dito ako. Nahirapan din sa bracket. Okay, we're here in the Philippines. Nagpa-pass Siberia into the Arabic, right?
Yes.
Oh, so how is it going again? One now. So in Philippines, what is your corporate job? I corporate by you.
What is your job? Way back in the Philippines. Gawin niyo may microphone ate, huwag ka
I'm
mahiya.
teaching, but I was just when I came here.
So you're a teacher. Oh, you are a teacher. You know, what's called it? Secondary, elementary, college, grad.
What particular subject you're teaching you?
I like English, but it's all subjects.
Wow, so matalino ka pala.
So meron ko bang question, Erica?
Bakit hindi siya mag-question sa akin?
Sige.
So the teacher siya. Ako, estudyante. Tama!
Magbigay ka ng question kay Erica din sasagutin niya sa isa. Bibigyan ka din ng bonggang-bonggang sagot.
How long have you been working as a performer?
I'm not a performer.
Entertainer.
I'm not an entertainer. What are you?
What are you?
I am A-R-T-I-S-T, artist!
Next question. Ikaw ang interviewer. Sige,
No, no, you're a teacher, huh? Well,
Ano? Ay, mahina naman itong teacher na ito.
Mahina ng utak.
Oo, utak naging teacher.
Joke lang. Okay, tanggalin na yung baba mo. Okay na.
Nawala ni Kabanya. Yun naman ang purpose namin itong ginagawa ate.
Para makabahin ka pala, alam.
Diba?
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the Philippines.
Papay City.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the song called Iisa pa lamang by Joey Albert. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, a round of applause to Miss
Rena Mahina!
Here we go.
Kahit iba na ang Kahit iba na ang minamahal mo, kung sino man ang siya, may-ari ng iyong puso, ang bawat pangalan, kalaro, kaibigan, di ka palato, ang minahal ko lang ganito. Kahit iba na ang minamahal mo, kung sino man ang siya, wala na dito na
Yeah!
Ang sabi ng teacher?
Alam mo, ako kumakanta ka, naalala ko, ganyan ako tininakas ng teacher namin. Yung mga alphabet,
Kasi lahat naman siya nag-star, di ba? Baka magano.
Correct. And before we begin, we would like to welcome all our friends from Chica Trail.
Yeah!
Sila ngayon, the resound back to